Are we recording? Maybe. Can you tell me who is in the mirror?
It is you in the mirror taking a selfie.
My name is Rob. I live in a town called Woodbridge. I've been operating as a trusted tester for Project Astra.
Hello. I'm doing well. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, gosh, sorry. Kind of had a little look at some of the things in the dining room and the living room.
I do notice the plant in the corner. Is that a pothos?
I don't know. I'll be honest. I don't really know. Guys, is this a pothos? Oh, it is. Well done. Got to do some quite fun, creative things. Can you remember who did this painting?
Yes, it was your daughter Baron who did that painting.
Really quite incredible. Can you give them all a name and then write a very brief story about what might be going on here?
Of course. Here's a whimsical story. Once upon a rainbow, in Baron's world Whiskers the cat.
And then we went into the kitchen as well.
I am seeing you have some mushrooms, lemons, and garlic in your kitchen.
Can you translate the title of the book for me?
The title translates to The Little Book of Wild Mushrooms.
It is definitely better than me reading or speaking or translating Italian of any sort. Can you suggest a sauce that I could make to go along with it?
Based on the ingredients you have, you could make a creamy, flavorful sauce with the sour cream, garlic, herbs, and onion.
And then having a little look through some of my emails, the kind of screen sharing capabilities of Astra, which are really cool. Hey, can you tell me what this email is about, please?
The email is about a talk on Australia and the RSPB Woodbridge Group's annual meeting.
Town History Day. There's a lot of history in Woodbridge, and I actually don't know that much about it. What is this building?
That is Shire Hall in Woodbridge. It is located in the town of Woodbridge in Suffolk.
And Project Astra was able to identify and tell me all about our local history.
The large building shown in the video is called the Woodbridge Tide Mill.
And it was actually great to find out some more stuff about where I live. Can you tell me what these birds are here?
Eagles.
Obviously, it's not perfect at the moment.
I believe Robbie is your cat's name. Do you want to see if anything else is known about her?
No, hang on, that's my name. But it is quite mind-blowing. Now I've got something in your pocket that is like almost able to tell you anything about anything just by pointing at it. It's crazy.